With its 116 islands, winding waterways, cobbled courtyards, beautiful architecture, and tiny back streets, Venice is one of the most picturesque and recognizable cities in the world. But Venice offers far more than what you see in photos and on TV. This ancient city provides a stunning backdrop for modern, pioneering contemporary art, meaning that this is a city very much looking forward as much as looking back. Even cheap digital cameras will take stunning images in this stunning city. For the first few hours upon arriving, you will probably spend your time standing back and admiring the genius of a city built on water, with huge marble churches based upon posts driven into mud banks. Looking at ancient arched bridges scattered with osterias, bars, and traditional trattorias, restaurants, should precede a ride on a gondola along the Grand Canal. All this beauty comes at a price. Its endless charm means tourists regularly outnumber locals, meaning you have to share the many sights with several hundred other people. To try and avoid the crowds, it's best not to visit Venice during the high season. In summer, not only are there more people, but the heat can be suffocating. It is better to go there in spring or autumn when the heat is not so strong and you can just get this museum for yourself.